Hello and good afternoon. It's what day is it? It's Thursday, the 15th of January, and things are now in full flow with the new year, thank goodness. I've been really excited about joining or starting my art classes. I had the pleasure of doing what I call kind of a cover lesson over at Chelveston this week, where we did some fantastic dog paintings or drawings using ink. But Wednesday at Kimbolton, we started doing the portraits. So we've been looking at how to draw portraits using a grid. Here's an example of how that, and we're looking at all the different proportions of the head and so forth, and we're doing some drawings in different styles as well. So this year is fully underway, and tonight I'm going to be online doing my online version of the portraits as well. Also, Friday I'll be at Raunds too, doing another art class at Saxon Hall, so that should be really exciting. Got a really nice amount of students coming along to that one as well. But I just wanted to tell you, things are going along really nicely now with everything I'm doing. I've seemed to have got everything, all my stock recorded, and I now know everything that I've got in my stock, which is something that I wasn't always on top of because I was also teaching. So I've done that, and I now keep my stock records on the fair website, which is where I do my wholesaling and everything. So everything's kind of coming together a little bit more. I feel a bit more organized and ready to go. I've also got a list of things I need to go and buy to keep my stocks up to date, and I'm really looking forward to the fair marketplace, which is going to be coming up. I think it's the 20th to the 23rd of January. So we'll see what happens there. I don't know if I'm going to have any success. Certainly I've had a few orders from fair, but we'll see how it goes. It's all really exciting, isn't it? Starting out as an artist, and I have found that I read before that a lot of artists only have about 10% of their time is spent doing the actual art, and so far that seems to be quite true. Although in the evenings I do my art, and I do get quite a few hours on that. So I'm doing lino while watching the snooker at the moment. So I'm getting lots done, but you always want to do more, don't you? But I'm here running my art business, meeting lots of people, sending my work out around the country. So I can't be much happier than that, really. And I'm still surviving as well. Okay. Thanks very much for listening. If you're listening at all, anybody out there, put a few likes on there. Visit my website, have a look at some of my stuff. I'm also on Etsy. I'm on Folksy as well, but only to a small degree. But if you're a shop owner and you're thinking about, I need some stuff, I need some cards and prints, then don't forget, you can go to my website, click on wholesale, and you'll see all of my different spring collections for 2026 on there. So let's have a look, see what you can do. You can make a real difference to your shop. My artwork is really beautiful and exciting, and it uses words of poetry to make the image as well, if I don't say so myself. So thanks very much, and I'll be doing another one of these vlogs or blogs or whatever you call it quite soon. So take care everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye.